Hello, my name is Julian, this is Newbee Garage, and today we are going to be starting to rebuild my Citroen 2CV. And yeah, I'm pretty happy about it. So yeah, let's get started. So in the last video we were still waiting on the parts to arrive, but they have arrived this video. So we are going to be starting on placing those parts in the new 2CV. Let's go do that. Okay, so these are all the parts that we actually ordered, and it's a whole lot, and that'll be all going into the Citroen that is right there. So yeah, let's go do that. Okay, now there is one part that we didn't order, and that is the part right there, and that goes right all along there and up there where that is being cut off, and we ordered the wrong part for that, so that went a little bit wrong, but we'll order new parts for that. So yeah, let's go ahead and put all the other pieces into the car and make it as ready as can be. So yeah, let's go do that. Okay, so we are going to start off with the rear. We are going to take out the whole entire floor pan for the boot, and we'll be replacing that. Then going up, we have got this plate right here that has to come out. Then if we go a little bit forward, we have got a plate right there that goes all along there. That has got to come out, and a little beyond that is another plate that has also got to come out. Then you've got those ones that stretch all the way to the front. Those have got to come out. Then you've got that entire wall that has got to come out up until the dashboard, and that'll have to be cut off. Then we have got this side that has to come out, and that has to come out. And then we have got this little tail piece that has got to be cut out because we're getting a new piece for that. And then if we come around to the front, we have got this little piece right here that is coming out, and that whole side right there, that is also coming out, but not right now because we still don't have that part, because we are putting in every part that we take out, we're immediately putting it in, because this kind of car is not stable at all. So we are taking out that part, and that goes all the way up here, and we're taking that out and replacing it. Then the same will have to happen on the other side too. So yeah, that's pretty much the game plan for everything that has to be replaced. Yeah, as you can see, that whole entire section, this that comes all the way forward, it's all got to be replaced. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so you may have just seen me put in that little plate. As you can see, I also have new gloves. Very nice. But I just put in the trunk and I put in the rear fascia. And I did that by, well, I used clamps and I used these thingies. You just basically drill a hole and then put this in and it holds it nice and snug. Another clamp, nothing to actually hold this thing in, but it's holding itself. Then I have these little clamps right here, here, and another one where you drill a hole and just put that in, and another clamp. And that thing just holds it up right there for no reason at all, because, well, it's being held up like this, but it's just safer that way. And I am going to weld it right here, and under here, just for safety. And then I am going to check if I can go underneath and maybe weld it underneath there. But I am going to have to put the brace back in from there to there, because then I can basically flip the whole car around so I can actually weld underneath of the car. So that's gonna have to be a challenge that will have to be overcome. But I don't know. We'll see if we can do it. I don't know if the whole entire car is strong enough for this, so it's gonna be a challenge. Yeah. And I think while spot welding it here and there, I'm also gonna weld it also around here. Put a spot weld right there, and on the other side too, in there. So I think I'm gonna do that right now. And then I am going to clean this up and then weld also right here and there, and do the same on the other side there and there, and just clean that up. Because as you can see, there's just a little lip right here, which is excess material. I'm not gonna need that. So yeah, let's just go ahead and do that. Okay, so what we've actually done is we have put this plate in right here. We are holding them down with these little clamps right here. As you can see, they are being held down, and also on this side. And yeah, that's pretty much how far I have gotten. So yeah, it's pretty good, and we have lowered it a bit. And now it is sitting level. Well, this is not level, but it is level, because you can see it's like so. If we put it on the ground, it's also like that, because the ground isn't level. So this works pretty good for leveling the car. So it's pretty level right now. And yeah, you can see this is how badly the ground actually is warped. So yeah, but the car is level to the ground at least. And yeah. Okay, so what I've done is I have started over here and then I moved along to here and then I went up here and I had gone all the way to there, and yeah, it was pretty easy to do actually. As you can see, the whole entire thing, as you can see, it's all welded, and I did that by clamping right around like so, and then I just basically made it so everything touched. Then I put a weld in there and well, it works. I think I am going to have to maybe take this off, because well, it isn't very nice. So as you can see, it doesn't look very good. But yeah, I am pretty happy with how it turned out, except for this. But yeah. Okay, so that's gonna conclude it for this video. I'm Julian, this is Newbee Garage, and I'm out. With